good good DIY. So guys, this is UPS ICA CE600. Look like this is a dead UPS. I got it from, and yes, see, this is sealed, still sealed, mean it's not opened yet. So I got this from the rubbish actually. Yeah. So I want to see whether this UPS is still working or no, but actually I checked yesterday and it was not working. So when I connect to the electric, to the power, no response at all. I want to check it by open it. So let's see what happened inside. uh, who knows, I can fix this, and yeah, who knows, it will work again. So if it is working, I'm going to give like external battery for this UPS. Maybe it is not working again because of one, it's wet due to heavy rain. So let's open it now. So I just get my screwdriver ready. This one? Nope. Okay, I'm going to use this one. From where? Okay, step by step from here. Oh, let's see what we have here. Here's the UPS here. Here's the battery. Here is I don't know how to check this to make sure if this is working or not. I'm not good in electronic. Look like still doing fine actually. What is this? Yeah, look like still doing fine, but I'm not sure is it good or no. Well, so let's open it. Okay, the battery is removed. Now let's check it, how the battery is. The battery is dying. Not is dying, the battery is dead. 0.32 voltage. Nothing we can do. It's about just throw it away. So it is just assembled with I just do the test with new battery. So this is a VRLA battery, and now the UPS is on and still working actually. Yeah, I'll show you. So it is on now. Yeah, so it's green light is on. I plug it here. Yeah, it's on. So let's try to turn it off. Okay, switch it off. On it. Yeah, it's on. So maybe it needs time to like to recover. Maybe I don't know how is the term in electronica. So because the battery is bigger capacity compared to its original battery, that one, yeah. So it's bigger capacity. This is 15 ampere hours. It one is 7.2 ampere hours. Okay. So yeah, it's good now. So because I don't have spare battery, so I'm going to get new battery, or maybe I will just extend this cable and I will put that big battery, like second battery from my car battery. Yeah. Okay, good. So the testing is enough for now. Now it's about to looking for a new battery maybe. Okay. Okay, so now it's about reassemble the UPS without battery. Once I get the new battery or maybe second-hand battery from something else, and I will make a update video related to this UPS.